take for granted. But what you may not know is that getting all that merchandise onto the shelves is a Herculean task. One that at many megastores happens at night. The Home Depot Superstore in Vauxhall, New Jersey measures a whopping 217,000 square feet. That's more than twice the size of the average Home Depot and large enough to fit 4 football fields inside. But the Vauxhall Superstore isn't just about square footage. It's about fulfilling the needs of every customer.
It's really a one-stop shop.
On any given day, the store is stocked to sell 4,000 slabs of drywall, 16,000 bags of concrete, and 8,000 buckets of paint.
This store alone has sold enough paint to paint the entire Empire State Building roughly 26 times.
For any megastore this size, keeping the shelves piled high is a grueling job. But the task is made even more difficult at the Vauxhall Superstore. That's because Home Depots don't have a back stockroom.
The selling floor is the actual stockroom, and Home Depot was one of the first stores to pioneer that kind of model. What that creates is a situation where stock has to go directly from truck to shelf. It has to do that immediately upon arrival.
The job of keeping the shelves stocked must therefore be done at night, when the store is closed for business.
We have 20 trucks a day that we have to unload, take it off the pallets, bring it out to the sales floor, and get stocked onto the shelves.
That means every night, a crew of more than 20 men and women will unload nearly 1 million pounds of appliances, power tools, and patio furniture, and get it onto the shelves before sunup. To make this happen, the crew utilizes an arsenal of forklifts, dollies, and order pickers, all in an effort to restock 29 departments with thousands of hammers, nails, and screwdrivers. Founded in 1978 by tool junkies Arthur Blank and Bernie Marcus, the first 2 stores were roughly a football field in size and stocked with 25,000 lines of merchandise.
Customers were flabbergasted, surprised, didn't know we had all the products that we had.
For the original Home Depot crew, keeping track of all the product was a constant challenge.
It was pretty much pen and pencil, writing orders, stocking the shelves. You had no computers, you had no scanners, you had no technologies that you have today.
If you missed one day's worth of counts and you weren't on top of it, your contractor would come the next day, you wouldn't have any product to help the customer.
Today, inventory that used to take hours to count and reams of paperwork to process can now be accounted for by merely pressing a button. It's called the First Phone, and it contains vital information about every product in the entire store.
We can go to any product, scan it, and find the whole history about the product. We can find out how many we have on hand, how many we have coming in stock, any locations in the whole store.
Workers can also use the First Phone to place product orders with distribution hubs like Lake Park and start the entire supply chain all over again.